My name is Ryan. I'm a dad, an adventurer, and an entrepreneur, and that's why I created Modula Racks located here in sunny Surrey, British Columbia, Canada. Whether it's for overlanding and camping, to the family ride, or your fleet vehicles, we get all of your cargo from doorstep to destination. Why don't you come inside? We'll check out the shop. So why would you buy from Modula Racks? Well, we're not a nameless online company. We stock almost everything we sell, and when you place an order with us, we touch it with care and send it to you and listen to our customer feedback to make sure you get what you need to carry your gear. From a tent, to a bike rack, to a ladder rack for your fleet vehicles, we've got you covered. Let's go meet the customer service team and check out the showroom. From Vancouver Island to Newfoundland and everywhere in between, when you visit our website, our professional in-house customer service team is there to support you. The support we offer you is not just because we listen to our customers, but because we use what we sell.
In the shop today, we have this for lightning. Wow. Look at those views. This one on the back is probably the most popular one. People have an overland rack, max tracks up there. All right, well, we're looking at you. This is a recovery traction board holder.
Call me.
Made it home, safe and sound with Sam the Volvo.
Most importantly, when you purchase from Modula Racks, you become part of our family. Follow our adventure on YouTube and Instagram, or come see us in store. I hope to see you soon.